Good day everyone! Welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to identify if a set of ordered pairs and table of values is a function or not. Alright.
Okay, so first let's define what is a function. A function is a relation in which the first element, x-coordinate or abscissa, in the ordered pairs corresponds to exactly one second element, y-coordinate or ordinate. So take note that all functions are relations, but not all relations are function. Now, let's have some examples in identifying if an ordered pair or if a set of ordered pairs is a function or not. Okay, let's have an example. So for example, we're given set A, and set A contains a number of ordered pairs. We have -1, 2, -3, 4, -4, 5, and 0, 7. So first thing that we need to identify are the first coordinate, the domain. So we have -1, -3, -4, and 0. Now the question is, do we have a repeating first element or first coordinate? So if the answer is no, we don't have any repeating element, this set of our ordered pair is considered as a function. Alright, okay, let's have another example. For example, we have set B. So for set B, we have ordered pairs A1, B4, N1, E2, and D4. So let's identify first our x-coordinate. We have A, B, N, E, and D. So, do we have a repeating first coordinate? So, if the answer is no, then we can consider this as a function. Alright. Okay, let's have another example. So, for example, we have sets. And for our set C, we are given a set of ordered pairs. So, first is let's identify all our x-coordinate and see if we have a repeating first coordinate. So we have January, February, November, December, and December. Now, we have two repeating element of x, which is November and December. Now, since we have a repeating element of x, let's identify if they have different values of y. And if they have different values of y, automatic, this set will be considered not a function. So for November, we have different values of our y, and for December we have different values of y. Therefore, this relation is not a function. Alright. Okay, let's have another example. So for example, we have set D. For set D, we're given a set of ordered pairs. So to check if this is a function or not, let's first identify our x-coordinate. So for our x-coordinate, we have Chandler, Ted, Leonard, Jake, Ted, and Sheldon. Let's identify if we have a repeating element of x. So in this case, we have Ted as our repeating element. Let's check if the repeating values of x, which is Ted, have a different value of y. So for the first Ted, it is partnered with Tracy, and the second Ted has a partner of Robin. So since they have different partners, this set of ordered pairs will be considered not a function. Alright, okay, let's have another example. So for example, we're given a table of value. Same procedure, we identify if we have repeating values of x for us to identify if it is a function or not. So in this case, our values of x are -4, -2, 0, 2, and 4. Now the question is, do we have any repeating values for x? So in this case, since we don't have any repeating values of x, this table of value is a function. Alright. Okay, let's have another example. So for example, we're given a table of value. So first thing that we need to do in identifying if a table of value is a function or not is to check our values of x and see if we have a repeating element. So in this case, we have a repeating element, which is 3. So since we have a repeating element of 3, let's check their partner. So we have -4 and 4. Since they have different values of y, we can conclude that this relation, this table of value, is not a function. Alright. Okay, let's have another example. So for example, we're given this table of values. So our x coordinate here will be the NBA players, and our y coordinate here will be the teams they played with. So let's check our x coordinate if we have a repeating element. So in this case, we don't have any repeating element. Now let's check our y coordinate if we have more than one value. So looking at our y coordinate, the value of y, or the one on the right, we have one player who played with 3 different teams, and that is LeBron James. So LeBron James played with 3 different teams: Cavaliers, Heat, and Lakers. So since LeBron James played with 3 different teams, this set of table of values will be considered not a function because we're given one value of x with 3 different values of y. Alright. Okay, let's have our last example for today. So for example, we have a table of values and our x coordinate will be the superhero and our y coordinate will be their sidekick. So first, let's check our x coordinate if we have a repeating value of x. Okay, so the x coordinate is clear. This table of values, we don't have any repeating values of x and we don't have any repeating values for y. Therefore, this table of value is a function. Alright.
Now that you already know how to identify if a set of ordered pairs is a function or not, it is your turn to try it. Please click the link in our description box below in order for you to test your skills. That's it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.